Hello and welcome to week 2. I hope your week 1 with closet organization went well. And I hope maybe you had some coats to donate to some organizations or families that could use a little extra help. That was my intent for week 1. Now, followed by week 2 with sweaters, and I was hoping you could do the same thing, and I need to as well. I tell you, I have quite a few sweaters that I haven't even wore for a while. And so this is going to be a painful week for me. You maybe can see my sweaters are not so organized. They, I have to stack them on top of each other, which that's not the most efficient way. They need to actually be stood up and maybe put in a basket or in a drawer so that you can easily just pull one out. And if any of you follow Marie Kondo and the her systems, it does work the best. I do that with my tanks, but it's not going to happen with my sweaters. And I'm hoping the fact that I have more shelves in there will actually help after I go through and get rid of some. But the way I'm going to approach my sweaters is I'm going to take them all out of the shelves. I'm going to put them in a pile and I'm going to look at them all. And then I'm going to try them all on. And that is going to be so painful for me, you guys. This is not going to be a fun week for me. But I am doing this for you. And my plan is to be consistent and make this happen for 12 weeks for you guys. And for me at the end, I think when we go through things, we feel better when we're more organized and we get more done. And I'll be curious to see how you all feel at the end of the 12 weeks. Everything I read says you feel more free, you have more time, you can make better decisions. So let's see how this goes. But that's my plan. Take it all out. I'm going to be trying it on. I'm a week ahead of you guys, so I can release this on Monday. So you'll know what I just did for the past week. And I'll let you know how it goes. So anyway, good luck with your week.